Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of the series. This is a wrap for a snowmobile I've learned, and the whole thing is 55 inches big. So these are pretty big parts. I mean, this piece right here, well, I've got it grouped together. But he's afraid when he cuts it out on the vinyl cutter that he says some white might show up. I don't know anything about vinyl cutting. So what we need to do is make one of them a little bit bigger. So this is true size. This is just the fill. So we're going to take the true size one. We're going to go to Effects, Contour, and in Contour from the outside, let's go 0.2 inches. And you see it just made it a hair bigger. But I'm almost afraid because that's going to be touching those other parts. I don't know yet that he has to have these together. I haven't figured that out yet. So let's go 0.1. Because we've got to have them, separated. Those are going to be touching. It's just not, see, that line in the middle. So I don't really know what to tell him. Let's make it 0.02. And see, those might not be touching. They're not. So that's just a hair bigger. Now let's take it and go to Object and break the contour part. If you grab on the inside, it should take the smaller one. And you can kind of prove that this is 55.6. This is the true size. This is 56.69. It's raised it like 4/100ths of an inch. I don't know if that's enough. That's about all you're going to be able to do when these things are, if they have to be touching, if they have to be in this order. I don't know anything about vinyl wrapping, and I'm a little bit confused because I don't really see any white. So now what we can do is take this item and, let's move this out of the way and let's get this a little more, I don't know if he wants it, the other direction. It was in this direction or within the other direction when he sent it. Now we're going to take the whole thing and we're going to intersect it. So there is our pieces. Now, if we bring our lines back over, the red line now should be minutely inside the line. So I think we did good. I just don't know the tolerance. So this is going to cut all the way around, and this part is going to be waste, the outside of that red line. Let me see if I can't make that red line yellow. And it shows up a little bit more. Let's actually make it a little bit thicker. Whoa, that's too thick. Can't really make it too much bigger. So that's going to be the cut line when it's a hairline, but it's going to cut and have some fall off. So I'm hoping that's going to help him. But I know nothing about this. You cannot just make the graphic bigger afterwards because it stretches it. Even though with the ratio locked, it doesn't, if you go to like 101% equally, it just doesn't match up with the contour lines. That's my only suggestion. And of course, he'll probably get back to me if I did it good or I didn't. We'll just have to see. But I hope that helped him. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.